I am currently redoing my basement in my house and laying down LVT flooring. I need to rip a couple more baseboards off, so I'm going to show you how to do that. The best thing to start with is one of these trim pullers. This tool, if you're going to be doing any projects around your house, is totally worth it. I use this all the time. Not only removes baseboards, but it also has this little notch here that I used when I was ripping the carpet out in this basement to pull up all the tack strips as well as any of the nails that were left behind. It's a little bit easier to use than a hammer or a crowbar. So for baseboards, all you really need is this trim puller and a hammer. Okay, start by putting your trim puller on one end of the baseboard and start to slowly tap the hammer. That will push the trim puller down into the baseboard, and then I just slowly start pushing it against the wall. Not too hard, so you don't want to punch a hole through your drywall, but the nice thing with the trim puller is it would be pretty hard to do so. Fairly easy to do so with a crowbar though, which is why this tool is a lot more convenient. And I just continue to work my way down the baseboard. And I'm gentle with this just so that I don't damage the wall. I don't rip any of the drywall off because oftentimes there is paint and caulk up against that baseboard. And if you pull too hard and too quick, it could rip up the wall. And then you're gonna have to go through and repair it. But once you're to the end like this, sometimes you might just have to wiggle it out. And make sure that you don't stab yourself with some of the nails on your baseboard. I try to reuse mine as much as possible, so that is my plan, is to reuse these. This is another example of what it would be like in a corner. I started on the left side and quickly realized that it looks like when they were framing the house, they went from the right side of the screen to the left. So I started by removing those small little pieces of trim, and then one by one, they removed a lot easier because they were kind of holding each other in. So hope this has been helpful. Good luck with your projects.